Hello, Lucy.
Hello, welcome back to Go Fishing. Today is 29th of October, Tuesday. We are in West Bexington. Yeah, delightful. We are here. Having a fishing time, but yeah, absolutely fantastic this week. So we enjoy beautiful sunshine. But today a little bit cloudy. Tomorrow will be better, but I'm sure today it should be a nice day.
Yeah, 2 days ago we caught lots of pouting, right?
Yes.
And
Conger eel.
conger eel for you, and pouting as well. And but yesterday it was stormy, so big rough seas. I don't know what that brings. There was no anything to do with mackerel at all, even though it was sunny on Saturday, I think it was.
Sunday. Yeah.
Sunday it was like sunny, but no mackerel, nothing.
Yeah.
There's people, someone out here trying for mackerel or something right now. I'm going to put ragworm, and today I've got good ragworm. And see what I can get. The sea's been rough, so now it's calm. Should fish better than even the other day.
Stay tuned.
And bites as well here on the left rod. Remember there was inundated with pouting the other day. Ooh, look at that. Pouting. Yeah. See to that. Big old worms. I've got 200 grams of worm. I don't know if it will last today. I've hooked it. Probably a conger. Huh? Probably a conger. Good sized pouting. Good sized pouting. Nip pot. No, I won't. She says she's not picking that up again. She dropped one the other day. Fell 2 feet on the floor about 6 times.
Yeah, today I got.
And then unfortunately it died.
I take this one.
Yeah, unfortunately it died. So, but Jojo ate it. Jojo ate the fish. So, that's his action time. Okay, so who can catch the biggest pouting today? Reckon there's already a fish on there. Oh, she's got 2 fish. Elsie beats me straight away. Oh, 2 pouting. Yeah, they look okay.
Yeah, beautiful.
It's definitely that little one's okay. A big one will be fine as soon as it goes back. Gets a bit more oxygen. He's upside down, but I'm sure he's alright. So the worms are so large and fresh, which is great, that they're give me a little bit longer for them to eat because it's pouting. Obviously we're going for cod. Cod will swallow that, but give us a drop back bite or something less than a little twitch, so it's still those pouting are still here after the storm. What they're doing in the daytime again we don't know. Normally they're night time. Checked, it's not a false cod, it's definitely a pouting. Right hand runs twitchy away, that worm's even larger.
Yeah. 7 cm long.
Huge, so about 10 inch, 12, 13 inches. Positive start. Don't know how long we'll fish to, maybe till it gets dark, maybe a little bit, maybe an hour until it gets dark. I paid for the parking again, 29th, so £15. It's holiday season for us anyway. But
I think after 1st of November will be cheaper.
yeah, £4. Something like £4, but right now, not cheap.
Okay, stay tuned.
I'm going to live stream, but I just realised there's no internet around here, so you can't live stream. Got a fish. Let's see that from here. Yep. Well done, Elsie. Double. Getting lucky at Elsie.
Sorry, same fish again.
Quite a lot of fish today, all pouting, non-stop bites really. Got a much smaller worm on, 2 of them on Elsie's rod that she's holding. 2 smaller worms. That is. I thought they were tugging. Not a deal, but. She doesn't know she's got a slack line. The line's got a slack. Yeah, I know. Fish could be coming towards you. Yeah. Oh, heavy, you should say. That's good. All the parrots seem to be lip hooked during the daytime. Night time, they swallow it and it's like dreadful. Every single fish has been lip hooked. So if it's heavy, it could be a conger, which is not great. Keep going, Elsie. Just wind it. Don't really pump it. I wouldn't pump it. Just wind it. Let's see if we'll get a shot of it coming out of the water. Another 2 pounds. Two more pounds, so she's already got 6 or 7 already. Put it in the bucket.
Okay.
Well done. Your idea is have a big weight on it. Sometimes when it's using your idea, it could be a breeze. For some reason it feels light. If you've got a big weight on it, it feels easy to wind. It feels a bit like a fish on. Maybe like a breeze.
Pouting again. Well done, pouting again.
Filming already.
Yeah.
Radio. Right, we're definitely gonna. I bought 10 pounds of bait, which is 200 grams. I thought let's fish with 200 grams of bait. I definitely am gonna run out after. Before it gets dark, we're going to run out of bait, Elsie.
Yeah.
That's okay. We've had a fun day already.
Yeah.
We're just hoping for that cod, but they're not there.
Not yet.
Maybe if we had maybe a big bag of squid, a big chunky, tough squid that these guys can't bite through. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe we come tomorrow.
Maybe, yeah. We got northerly winds tonight. No, it's good. Maybe we come tomorrow.
Oh, tomcat. Ooh, pouting. Wow, the biggest one. Ooh, today you got the biggest one. Well done.
Biggest one. Here it is. No, here it is. Is it a cod?
It's caught.
No, it's not a pouting. This is a false cod.
Full caught.
False cod, yeah. I always see people do this really easy. I never find it easy. With it. He's a false cod. We are.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a false cod.
Whoa.
We go down to one rod on the worms because we've not got a lot of bait left. We'll switch over to the mackerel using the other 13-foot rod. It's feeling quite right with a 3-ounce lead. So I don't know if there's any mackerel. I don't know. I'm throwing it out really far. There's a little bit of wind from the west, maybe slightly northwest. Yeah, no, it's headwind. I'm getting headwind. It's going alright.
Hello, welcome back. We caught lots of pouting. Many, can't remember how many, probably over 15. Yeah, today absolutely fantastic. Yeah, not too cold, not too warm. It's a fishing day, but unfortunately we don't have many worms. Yeah, just need to go home. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. Yeah, see you next time.
Yeah, we're down to one rod, one worm on each on the rod. We're packing up because the tide is coming in. All of a sudden it's gone from 40 something, 50 cyclone fishing to 70. We're far up the beach, but it's catching up with that as well, so it's not worth it as well.
Tomorrow
Anyway.
sunny, yeah, bye.